All right, so let's do this thing. All right, State of Dev is the first thing that we've got up on the bill. All right, and some people, I've seen some people guess it already in the chat. State of Dev is nothing. Everyone's on vacation, which is kind of true. A lot of people are going on vacation. A lot of people are gone this week. More people will be gone next week. Yeah, but the current state of development, anyway, despite that, is that we I think we talked about this last week, but we were gonna start an internal playtest of Update 5. So yeah, we actually can start playing with the features, see how they feel, and see how the future looks for in terms of what we should do from this point on, in terms of what's working, what's not, what needs a little bit more problem solving or whatever, right? We were supposed to have that test start last week, but it was delayed internally because it wasn't building or something. There was like some crash or something. But I believe that is up and running now, and I think people are testing now. So even though a lot of people are on vacations, a lot of the folks that are here are doing some testing, if I recall correctly. If not, if that's incorrect, we'll just roll with it anyway. All right, we'll just assume it's the truth. It's just going to be easier for everybody if we just assume what I'm saying is correct. This is going to get a lot easier, okay, guys? Let's just roll with that, all right? Yeah, so that's pretty cool. We also did like a big presentation of Update 5, the features internally. So we did a presentation internally. Everybody jumped in on the call, and a bunch of people did a presentation of all the features that are going to be in Update 5 in order to prepare them for the playtest. So this is kind of interesting. This might sound strange to you guys, right? Like, it's like, wait, they had to create a presentation to explain to the people who are making the game what's in the game. And that absolutely sounds absurd when you say it out loud, but in reality that's kind of how it really is, because people who are in their disciplines are generally hyper focused on what they're doing. People are always kind of aware of what other things are going on, but like if you're like an artist, a 3D artist or something like that, you're busy making stuff, not playing the entire game and checking out everyone else's work. So these kind of presentations are really good, so that like programmers or whoever can explain to everyone, this is what we're doing, this is what to expect, these are the current limitations or whatever, and so that when you jump in the game, you've got the you've got a better idea of what it is you can be trying out, or what you should be trying out when we do the playtest. So that's kind of how that works. So yeah, so there's a lot of people within. I mean, Jace wouldn't lie to us. I've never lied to you guys, not even once. Yeah, so like, I don't know, maybe that's interesting to you guys, maybe it's not, but that's kind of how it is. So